Every living organism needs food to survive.
Animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. But plants prepare their own food. This type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. The process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis.
Sunlight provides the energy.
Roots absorb water from the soil. Leaves take carbon dioxide from the air. Chlorophyll traps solar energy. Carbon dioxide and water combine to form glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere. In the dark reaction, glucose is formed.
Glucose is the food of the plant.
This food helps the plant grow.
All living beings depend on plants.
Photosynthesis maintains oxygen balance on Earth. The rate depends on light intensity. Starch test proves photosynthesis.
Sunlight, water and carbon dioxide produce food and oxygen.
Photosynthesis is the basis of life on Earth.